Oh, I'm not good at driving this. But it still go good.
Got the bathroom jump. Got a little rooster tail coming out and everything. Oh, got reverse.
I keep crashing.
That's all right, you'll get it.
Look how fast this thing is.
I should never have sold my Losi, y'all. I love this drink. Damn. Oh, she gets. Damn! You can't keep her on the wheels. We need to get some jumps out here, yo. Hey, watch out for that little tree in the middle right there, too. Damn. Yeah, watch that stump. Hey, you might be able to give them some work over there, yo. You might be able to give them boys some work on them boys. Yeah, tell them little 30.5. What size is in there? Huh?
30.5.
30.5 in that thing? OBR 30.5. That thing is hauling. Sucking up the jumps, I mean the bumps and everything. Suspension set too. Oh, what's the thing? Yo, that thing's flying. Yo, this is bad. Yo, that thing is bad, son. Tony, and you think about it, yo, you had that as electric for a minute. God, that thing is nice.